In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a book on KDP. If you've ever wondered about the process of removing your book from sale on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing platform, you're in the right place. Whether you need to update your material, correct some errors, or simply make it unavailable for a while, I'll walk you through each step so that you can easily unpublish your book. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is go to your KDP Bookshelf. Your bookshelf is the central hub where all your published books are listed, and you'll see various options to manage them. If you've published more than one title, take a moment to ensure that you're looking at the right book that you plan to unpublish. Once you've located the correct book on your bookshelf, you'll want to move on to the next step, which is clicking on the Unpublish option. This button is typically found under the book title you wish to remove. Clicking Unpublish will start the process of removing your book from sale. But don't worry if you accidentally select the wrong option. You'll still have a chance to review your choice. Now, after you've clicked to Unpublish, the platform requires you to confirm your action. This confirmation step is crucial because it prevents unintended removals, especially if you are managing multiple titles. You'll see a pop-up or prompt asking if you're sure about the unpublished decision. This extra step helps safeguard against accidental clicks, ensuring that you indeed wish to proceed with making your book unavailable for purchase. Finally, after confirming your decision, your book will be removed from sale on Amazon's platform. It's important to note that while your book will no longer be available for new purchases, it doesn't affect any existing copies that customers have already bought. If you ever decide to republish or update the book, it's still stored in your KDP account and can be reactivated at your discretion. I hope this tutorial has been clear and helpful for guiding you through the process of unpublishing a book on KDP. Remember, unpublishing doesn't mean your book is gone forever. It can be a strategic decision based on your current needs. Thank you for joining me in this walkthrough, and happy writing.